Hi Maria, thank you very much for sending me the first draft of your paper. I read the draft and I think it's very good. It's a very good effort. You managed quite good text. Uh, you have very good subsections, and you have a very good connection between your own theory and your own pedagogic practice. So I think overall it's a very good draft. However, I have a little some suggestion for you, and I would like to start from the beginning of the paper. So you can see the first thing you need is you need a title for this article, uh, which may represent the whole article. I like your heading below ett önska om att bli en god undervisare. Så kanske du kan hålla den som titel. You can take it as a title. So I think it is a very good title. So you can write the title like ett önska om att bli en god undervisare. And next, you introduced yourself in the beginning of the article. Mitt namn är Maria och jag är under utdannet biologist. So that is good. That is good. But if you take this as introduction, so I think this could be need some heading because each paragraph or each section needs some heading. So you can name is inledning or introduction. So that could be nice to name it. I like your introduction, and at the start you place some questions for writing these articles, which is I think very good starting point. For example, vad är god undervisning och wouldn't blir jag en god undervisare. So I think this is a good start. This is a good start, and these questions are starting research, a type of research questions. So you are, yeah, this is a very good starting point. This starting point, you raise what is a good teaching and how one can be a good teacher, and immediately it is a very good that you provided some theoretical definition of a good teaching from Peterson 2005 undervisning or undervisning som ligger till rätt för att stimulera och till och stötta kvalitetsläring. So this is somehow your benchmark or theoretical starting point, which is very good. Later you can compare what you are doing with this definition and how you can improve or how you can be a good teacher. So I think it is a very good starting point. Next, hvor er jeg? I am not sure about this, but I think it's a good to explain the three levels of model, um, and later you can reflect over it in your own teaching material. So, but I think you need to explain a little more this model, this theory. So this is I think you need to reflect more about how to develop a course. For example, how you level 1, how much you need to do at level 1, level 2 and level 3. I think that needs a little more description, a little more elaboration. I think you need to reflect more about how you develop the course goals, contents to get these desired goals, and how you connect it with it. So I think it is you need a little more elaboration or explanation. So this is very good, but you need just to elaborate and expand it. Min undervisningspraxis och undervisningsuppgaver. This is also a good place you structure. This is a good to elaborate what you are doing. Okay. Yes, I like this that you reflected your own field or courses in bioengineering Udaning, and that is you explain very well that it is a combination of basically a combination of theory and praxis seminar and internal and external praxis. So this you explain it very well. It is very clear demarcation, but I think you need to reflect on how you conduct these activities. Uh, for example, traditional teaching style, how you interact with the students in class and other things. So how you make groups, right? How you ask and interactive questions to stimulate the students to come to the class and prepare the and read some stuff. Uh, because here how you manage these larger classes, because in this here you are asking that i ett stor classroom är icke detsamma förhållandena. So if it is like the case in the bigger classes, so how you manage this? So I think you can also add some more paragraph here. Uh, Moreover, I think it is very good. The next paragraph, uh, you ended with that. Jag är också bevisst på att söka efter alternativ undervisningsmetoder. So I'm wondering what type of alternative teaching methods you can thinking about. If you can give you some examples, especially what you were doing earlier and what you are doing now, that could be a very good example that you trade. It could be a very good example if you replace a traditional method with some new method which you have learned over the time. So that could be a very interesting for us. I like your this picture to example from egen undervisningspraxis. I like it very much. This is a very good illustration. Can you explain a little more? So this will be very good. This is a very good pictures you edit here, and I am looking forward to explain a little more with examples. For example, if you how you were doing earlier and traditional way, and now you have introduced a new method which may be according to the right side picture, that could be very interesting and useful for us. I think this can be very good if you can discuss the changing environment in Norway, teaching changing environment in Norway, and the challenges which we teacher as face. So you can bring some little more discussion in your paper. For example, now the rules and laws are changed, and now smaller smaller high schools are combined together and they make a bigger um, one university or one institutions which have multiple campuses and larger classrooms. So this could be very interesting if you reflect how what is your thinking opinion about the teaching challenges and how these challenges can be overcome or handled in from your point of view. So that could be very interesting for us. You can also discuss how you can use the digital tools in managing these multi-campuses phenomena and these larger classrooms, how these can be used for the group meetings, for teachings, flip classrooms, to enhance the quality of the education, how you can use this in Veildegning for supervisions where the students are sitting in different places due to practice work or practice work, for example, in like as you said in bioengineering, students have to go in the hospitals, so maybe they cannot come to meet you face to face. So how you can provide these supervisions to using these digital tools and canvas. So this could be very interesting for us. This could help you to increase the length of your pay article to meet 3,500 words. So this is a very good, you have a very good combination of theory, introduced the theories and some definitions, and you connected this with some of the practice, but I think you need some more examples, elaborations, which will be very good for us. So thank you very much and look forward to see you.